Okay, so this was the last of the struggles here, was the cable feed system. It's one of those deals that, you know, it's under just a little bit of tension, so it comes undone really easy and then it's really hard to put back together. Now don't you start crying. You've been sitting there happy for 30 minutes. Okay, well let's see, she's okay, she's just getting tired. So anyway, down here, the way this works, down here on the bottom, you guys probably can't even see in the shadow, but down here on this bottom end, there's the main anchor bolt, and then your cable here is stretched out, and it goes through these two little pulleys on the bottom of the cart and up around this crank handle, and then runs the whole rest of the length out to here where you have another little secure bolt, which you can see I've sucked it down now, you know, with 1 inch of threads. And when I first put this all together, I couldn't even get the bolt to the bracket there. So I actually had to go back and loosen the other end, and then I had to get a pair of pliers to pull on this eye bolt, basically to give me that little extra oomph I needed to get a couple threads started on. Once I had the thread started, then I was able to just run with it. So let me grab this baby and pick her up so she's happy, and then we'll give her a little try. Look at there. Look at there. Isn't that cool? Yeah. That's it. I can tell you all already from my experience, I tested this thing out before I bought it. We put a log on it and saw it. I mentioned that in the video that when I was picking it up. That cable feed is not the final solution. If you get into pushing it through the log, that feed wants to just slip. So you still have to walk with it. You still have to push the cart a little bit. And honestly, it's probably a little bit slower than I like to be, just because I get excited and want to go fast. So what you can do is, not to say going fast through the log, but see this handle, there's little pins there. You can slide this in, and then the handle will free spin. So when you do that, then your cable feed is kind of disengaged. It still wants to turn, but you don't have to turn the handle. So you could get through a log relatively quickly, and then actually pull it back, assuming you can step over your log. You can actually pull it back faster than you could crank it back. Which again, assuming I can step over the log, I feel like that's what I'll find myself doing, but I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Put back together. Then you'll get my water tank, put it back on top. It fell off in transit. Get it put up there, and then oh gee, if I go cut a tree down and start sawing on this thing, my wife's gonna be really aggravated when she comes home and I'm out here playing with this instead of in the house doing what she wants me to do. So I better not. I'll wait till she gets home. Maybe she'll want to come help me pick a tree to cut down, and then we'll throw it on here together. She was there the other day when I tested it. She's not that excited, but she is excited. So maybe we'll break it in on our own ground together. That's it. That's it for now. All put together. Timber King 1220. I bought it used. Paid $4,000. I have no idea how old the thing is, but new ones, the same thing, brand new today. For the base package is I think like $7,800. I presume it comes with the cable feed as the base package, but this one actually has one 6-foot track extension, which is about another $600, I think. So you'd be looking over 8,000 brand new, 4,000 used. It starts, it runs, it saws. I'm happy with that. Plus he threw in a ton of extra blades and a bunch of other stuff, which